Welcome to JH. I recently got my hands on the VE Donut Depositor, and the first thing that hits you is how incredibly sturdy it is. This thing is built from solid stainless steel, making it feel like it could survive a kitchen collapse while staying remarkably easy to clean. The lever operates with a smooth precision that gives you consistent pressure for perfect batter placement every time. Because let's be honest, trying to be precise with a spoon usually ends with your kitchen looking like a flour-covered crime scene. Using this tool allowed me to fill my donut molds quickly and accurately, which turned a tedious baking chore into something actually efficient. The consistent portioning means the donuts cook evenly and come out looking like they actually belong in a bakery. It's a massive upgrade over the primitive method of using a piping bag, which is basically just a test of hand strength nobody ever asked for. Overall, it's a high-quality piece of gear that makes baking genuinely enjoyable. It has officially earned a permanent spot in my kitchen, mostly because I'm never going back to the dark ages of manual scooping.